What's up, guys? This is a quick video on my 2024 STX Ford F-150. I did a couple mods on them and I'm gonna go ahead and share them with you. The first mod I did was I got a 6-inch lift kit, rough country. I also got 35 needle grappler ridge tires with the fuel wheels. They're 20 inch. It's a black metallic gray. I also got the running board here. I got it on Amazon. Wasn't too bad on price. I got this decal STX on both sides on Amazon. I got this Ford F-150 sign. It's like a little sticker decal on Amazon. I got this overlay on YouTube. It was a sponsored website. It came out really nice. Really nice. Here's the other decal. I got these mud guards on Amazon, and as you can see with the rain yesterday, it did its job. Caught the mud. Before, it used to be just the body of this, which looked weird because the front had it but the back did not. I also did this. It used to be green right here, like a yellow green, and it was nasty. I don't know why all the 2024s were like that. I didn't like it, so I went ahead and got plastic dip. You can buy it at Walmart. I did like 4 coats on it. This little X was green too, and the F-150 was chrome. So the plastic dip really did its job. It came out really nice. The can was like maybe $7, $8. I got this antenna here, made it smaller because it was really tall before. And I already went through the car wash with it and it held up pretty nicely. Here's the other emblem. Came out nice. I wanted to match the vehicle. And that's pretty much it, guys.